Hello guys, my name is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how we can create a temporary file name in C using the tmpnam function. So this tmpnam function is used to create the temporary file name which is different than the name of any other files in the disk or directory where you are executing this program. So first we're gonna see the syntax of this tmpnam function. So this tmpnam function takes the array where we want to store that temporary name, and also it returns the character sequence. If this parameter is null, then the temporary name will be created and stored in an array that belongs to this tmpnam function, and it's gonna return the address of that array here. It's only when we don't pass any argument here. So if you pass the variable to store the file name, which is the temporary file name, then the name will be stored in that variable only. So now we're gonna see how we can use this in our program. So first we're gonna create a character array to store the file name. So it's gonna be char name. Then the size of this name array, which is gonna store the temporary name, will be defined in the stdio.h. so I'm gonna be opening that one. Open up my computer, then open up the location where you have installed the div cpp, and open up this include folder and search for the stdio.h header file. Open up that, and here search for ltmpnam. This defines the length of the temporary file name. So I'm gonna be copying this one, and I'm gonna open up my C file and I'm gonna paste it here. And also, since the file name is gonna be a character array, which is a string, so I'm gonna be adding one to here, to store the null character at the end. And then I'm gonna be using tmpnam function. So it's gonna be tmpnam, and we need to pass the name array here. So it's gonna be name. The last thing we want to do is we just want to print out the temporary name created by this tmpnam function. So I'm going to be using the putS function, and I'm going to be passing this name array. So I'm going to save this one, execute, compile and run. You can see here our temporary file name is created. And if I close this one and run this program again, and this time another file name is created. So this is how you can create a temporary file name in C using the tmpnam function. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I see you in the next tutorial.